In this video, I'm going to show you how to rename a document in Grammarly Editor quickly and easily. If you've ever opened a Grammarly document and wanted to give it a clearer, more organized name, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. Renaming your document can help you stay organized, especially if you work with multiple drafts, essays, blog posts, or business documents inside Grammarly. And if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to app.grammarly.com. Once you're signed in, you'll land inside the Grammarly Editor dashboard. From here, open the document you want to rename. You can click into any existing draft that you already have saved in your account. After the document opens, look at the top of the editor, where the current document title is displayed. This is the name you'll want to change. Go ahead and click directly on the document title. When you do that, Grammarly will let you edit it just like regular text. Now type in the new document name you want to use. Make sure it's something clear and easy to recognize so you can find it later without any confusion. Once you've entered the new title, press enter on your keyboard or simply click away from the title area to save the change. Grammarly will automatically update the document name for you. That's really all there is to it. The document will now appear under its new name inside Grammarly Editor, making your workspace much easier to manage. This is a small step, but it can save you a lot of time when you're organizing multiple files or switching between different projects. If you found this tutorial useful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.